Are you looking for the best 3D printer for home? In this video, we will look at some of the best 3D printer for home on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fully assembled mini 3D printer. Everything is included. Just bring the imagination. This 3D printer starter kit comes with a mini printer, 10mm of PLA filament, a micro SD card pre-installed with model designs and splicing software, and more 3D printer accessories. Unlike other 3D printers that may malfunction if not meticulously assembled correctly, our printer is designed for reliable, long-term use right out of the box. With its compact, space-saving size of 8.3 by 8.3 by 11.4 and a lightweight build, it's perfect for home, classrooms, and dorms, delivering consistent, jaw-dropping prints every time. Made with kids and beginners in mind, our printer turns complexity into creativity fueling simplicity. It features auto-leveling and a dual Z-axis rail for high-precision prints, a 2.4 LCD screen, and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy removal. Load and retract filament at the touch of a button. The 3D printers for beginners and kids are compatible with 1.75mm PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filament. You'll also love the active pause and resume print functions that put more control in your hands. Use Mac, Windows, or Linux and bring your imagination to life. The Wi-Fi-capable printer is also compatible with a majority of slicing software including WeBuilder, Cura, Simplify 3D, and Slicker 3D. Go ahead, dive into the world of 3D printing the easy way. Number 2. Flashforge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Experience the future of 3D printing with the Adventurer 5M series. Ensure impeccable bed leveling every time you print, without the need for manual adjustments. Effortlessly achieve consistent adhesion and flawless first layers, saving time and eliminating frustration. The AD5M uses a Core XY structure, with a travel speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. Its unique lightweight design and stability boost efficiency, reduce production cycles, and ensure high precision and quality, ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. Offers rapid nozzle changes in 3 seconds, a high-flow 32 mm superscript 3/s nozzle for stable high-speed printing with a quick 35-second warm-up to 200 degrees Celsius, dual-sided PEI platform for easy removal, and multiple platform options. It's a smart and efficient choice for creative projects. Dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 mm, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder cater to various materials. From intricate details to rapid prototypes, superior results are guaranteed. It also supports the use of a mobile app FlashMaker, allowing for remote real-time monitoring of print progress, adjustment of parameters, receiving message alerts, and other functionalities. These features enable intelligent operation, ensuring seamless and uninterrupted printing. Number 3. AOSEED 3D Printer. Start your 3D printing journey with just one click using our smart app, perfect as a beginner 3D printer for kids and home use. Compatible across iOS, Android, and Windows platforms for a seamless experience. Voice commands make it accessible and fun for all ages. Achieve professional grade, Kids 3D printer with 0.05mm accuracy at speeds up to 200 mm per second. This small 3D printer features an innovative quick-release nozzle for easy changes, ensuring smooth and consistent printing every time. Dive into a vast catalog of over 1,500 digital designs with weekly updates, perfect for a 3D printer for kids. Includes 15-plus themed design modules, providing endless customization options tailored for both kids and home use. Personalize your small 3D printer with printable decorations, a unique feature that makes this an ideal 3D printer for home, allowing for a truly individualized and creative look. The built-in camera allows real-time monitoring of your printing projects from your smartphone, ideal for a 3D printer for home use. It also automatically generates time-lapse videos for sharing your creative process, making it a perfect 3D printer for kids. Enjoy peace of mind with a fully enclosed 3D printer structure designed for safety. The no-leveling required platform and high-speed Wi-Fi connection provide a beginner-friendly experience with wireless operation. Number 4. AOZ XMaker 3D Printer. Comes fully assembled for immediate use, Intuitive software and user-friendly interface make it the perfect beginner 3D printer, ideal for kids' creativity. The 3D printers for home features intelligent optimization and Wi-Fi capability for easy use. Supports SD/USB for versatile connectivity, perfect for a kid's 3D printer or beginner 3D printer. Designed as an enclosed 3D printer, it ensures safety by isolating fumes while delivering consistent, high-quality prints without the need for manual bed leveling. It also features a 3.5-inch color touchscreen, a power-off resume printing function, and a flexible magnetic build plate for easy removal. Includes Lego-style apps and gamified design programs for easy model creation, ideal for sparking creativity in beginners with this 3D printer for kids. Delivers precision up to 0.1/0.05 mm and a rate of 160 mm per second for detailed prints. Uses PLA filament, offering high-quality results in a small 3D printer for home use. Number 5. Creality K1 SE 3D Printer. The K1 SE with auto-calibration gets everything ready. Bid farewell to the frustrating leveling work with calibration paper. The fused deposition modeling 3D printer from unboxing to powering on in 3 minutes and comes pre-assembled and pre-tuned before shipment. After an easy phone-like unboxing and setup, it is ready for plug-and-play. The K1 SE 3D printer uses a Core XY structure, with a travel speed of 600 mm per second and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, which is 12 times faster than a regular 3D printer. Combining speed and quality in an enclosed space ensures more stable print quality. Durable steel-tipped copper nozzle integrated with a titanium alloy heat break. It blocks heat creep and allows one-hand swap. The nozzle takes 75 seconds to heat from 0 to 300 degrees Celsius. A dynamically balanced part cooling fan produces fewer vibrations which are mitigated by active input shaping. No more ringing and surface artifacts. K1 SE upgraded 3D printer has the multiple nozzle sizes, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 mm, and a 300 degrees Celsius dual-gear direct drive extruder. Apart from commonly seen filaments, it can also handle the flexible TPU, PLA, PETG, and ABS. The ceramic heater, encircling the hot end, can fully melt ABS** and other filaments for ultra-fast printing.